Hey viewers, Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can link with your GoHighLevel sub account with Claude, and you can do day-to-day tasks like moving your pipeline, sending emails, SMS, creating contacts, removing contacts, and also you can fetch all contacts or book appointments. There is a lot of things you can do with the just writing some prompts on Claude. So first of all, you need to install Claude app on your desktop, and then in the next case, you can create account on Claude. It's super easy. You can just create in a 5 second. And also you must have to your GoHighLevel account, and you don't know what is GoHighLevel, link in description box below. You will get 1 month free GoHighLevel, and you can try it. You can manage your all local business things, and like your websites, funnels, automations, emails, SMS, follow-ups, everything you can manage on a GoHighLevel. So let me dive in video, and I will show you how you can link your high level sub account with your Claude, and you can manage from your prompts. Just write some prompts and manage your whole day-to-day operations and day-to-day tasks. And first of all, you need to just log in into your Claude account. The best option is that you can install app, but in my case, I'm just going to use Chrome browser for this. I'm just going to then you can go to settings and just simply click on setting, and then go to connectors, and simply you can go here and add connector. Give the name, like I will say that GHL MCP v2. We can just put the name this one, and after that you can put URL here. It's a super easy. I just copy this link in description box below. Otherwise you can just simply search these terms like lead connector MCP server. So you will find on first URL, this URL you can find. I just open this URL here, and you can copy this live link today. In my case, I just copy this one here. I simply copy it, and I just go back in Claude. I just put this URL in here. Make sure this URL is proper, and I just go here, and it will ask for contact here with your GoHighLevel with your lead connector or marketplace. So I just simply click on it. It's lead to me on your marketplace, and in marketplace you can log in with your GoHighLevel account, or either you can log in with your marketplace accounts. In my case, I just log in with my GoHighLevel account. I already log in with my GoHighLevel, but in your case you can log in with it. It's asked for login. You can log in with your GoHighLevel account. I just simply say click on it, and you have to select your sub account here. In my case, there is no sub account. The reason is that I have to refresh and I have to log in again back. So after login, you can see this interface. There is a two option, either agency view and sub account view. So we can select on agency view, and we can proceed with it. And here you can see these are all account. In my case, I'm going to install on, let me install on this sub account, Leads Flex 2.0. I just simply install it, and you can see it will fetch all these permissions from your GHL sub accounts. So you can handle your business, and you can handle your all calendars, writing or reading appointments, or you can manage your campaigns here. These are all permission we have to give them, and if you want to uncheck someone, so you can do it. It's totally up to you, but in my case, I'm going to give him full access, and I just add this one, and now it's asking whenever your lead connector is connected, you can see here connected to GHL MCP version 2. But we can verify this. We just simply go in setting, and we will again in connectors, and here you can see it's connected. Status is connected. So that's all technical things we need to do. And right now we can write our prompts, whatever you want to fetch or whatever you want to write in GoHighLevel. So I just tried this prompt, and I simply press enter. It will take few seconds. Now he just take few seconds, and after that he just fetch all these information, like first two contacts. You can say that he just bring one of my customer detail, and also he just bring another details, and you can see he also bring sub accounts and source where this user came, and he's came from my another FunnelFlex agency, and this funnels as well. So also he just bring another client and other details, and now we can ask him Please add book call with Aslam on 9 p.m. EST. 9 p.m. EST, we can say that. We just ask add appointment book call with Aslam on this time and date, and also we ask for in sub account of leads flex 2.2. Again, it will take few seconds. It will ask for, he will book appointment as well. So that's how you can link your cloud with your GoHighLevel, and you can automate your day-to-day task. So you can see he fetched all of my calendars, and he's asking which calendars you want to use for book appointment. In our prompt, you can see we miss calendar name, so that's why there is a few calendars, and he fetch all those calendar, and he's asking for which calendar you want to book appointment. I can say that let's flex this one, and where on which person you want to assign. Like I can say that with this guy. So he will book appointment with this guy on the time and calendar that we have selected. And here you can see we have book appointment with all details. And it's a super easy, and you can play day-to-day task, and you can manage all things, and even you can send them follow-ups, emails, and SMS. It's super easy to connect. And if you need any GoHighLevel service, and you can just simply go on a Google and you can put leadsflex.com. My link in description box below as well. You can book your free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call, and I will guide you step by step how you can implement these, or do you need any GoHighLevel services. Here you can see we have all GoHighLevel services, or if you want just consultation, if you want to learn how GoHighLevel will make your all things your day-to-day task for your business task, so I will help you with that. Thank you so much for watching this video.